All right, we got a good question from the Modern Divorce Support Group. Opinions, please. My husband is in the process of adopting my daughter, who's 2. Bio dad has time and time again failed to hold a relationship with her. We agreed to every other weekend before she was born, but that fell through after about 3 visits. And he told me to take him to court to establish parenting time. I did, and he didn't show up for any of the court. It went to default, and now my husband would like to adopt her, and bio dad has agreed. Moving forward, I've always made sure that my daughter had a relationship with her paternal grandmother. I expressed to the grandmother that I didn't want bio dad in and out of my daughter's life, and that the time that I'm giving her is for her and not bio dad. Grandma disagreed, and we had a falling out for a few months, but she came around and she understood. In reality, Mom does not think that the grandmother is going to respect her boundaries. So Mom would like Grandma to be able to have an ongoing relationship with her daughter, but not allow Dad, whose rights will be terminated around daughter. And some of the questions in the comments have to do with whether or not Grandma will have grandparents' rights. My name's Billy Tarasio, Arizona family law attorney. This question comes from the Modern Divorce Support Group. Grandma will not have the ability to get grandparents' rights because once Dad's rights are terminated, Grandma loses her role as Grandma. This has come up in a number of areas. Let's say that paternity hasn't been established. You have unwed parents, and then a biological grandparent tries to get grandparents' rights. If Dad hasn't established legal paternity, then there is no legal right to be a grandparent. Grandparents' rights don't come from biology. So if Dad legally loses his rights, grandparents legally lose their rights. This means, Mom, if Grandma decides not to respect your boundaries or your husband's boundaries as your daughter's parents, mother and father, then you're going to have to cut off contact with Grandma or decide how you want to handle that. But there's really no legal risk to you.